Contractor trailers everywhere. Everyone's got a trailer. Oh, they look so together and make it look so easy. And there you are, still unloading all your tools in and out of your truck every morning and every night, wasting all that time. You know it could be spent more productively working or playing with your toys. Does that sound familiar? You see all those successful business owners and think, how do they do that? You know you need a trailer, but how do you come up with the money? We've been listening to you and hear you loud and clear. Wendy here at Trailers Etc. in Savona. We started our business 3 years ago, helping business owners just like you solve problems just like this. How to save time, safely and reliably transport your equipment, tools, cargo, and sometimes toys? Your answer is explained here today. At Trailers Etc., we say yes, you can take it with you. Still listening? Want to know the secret? We're talking about leasing here. It's like renting to yourself. Call us or click to the next video to learn more.